My dear little learners of class 5, welcome to the online class arranged by Dr. Kasturi Government Girls High School. At first, I want to congratulate you for the students of this reputed school. How are you and your family members? Hope you all are fine, safe and sound, staying at home with your parents. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Creator. Okay, it is for the first time I am taking your class, so I want to introduce myself with you. Okay, I am Biplobi Pal, Assistant Teacher, English, Dr. Kasturi Government Girls High School. Okay, dear learners, before going to the class, I want to ask you a question. With whom do you live at your residence? It is sure that you live with your parents, younger brothers or sisters, or your elder brothers or sisters. Sometimes some of you have your grandma or grandparents, isn't it? Okay, dear students, what is it called? It is called a family. So our today's lesson is, look at the board. Our today's lesson is Shoikot's family. Unit 3, lesson 1 to 4. This is a class of English, you know, so you must take your English for today book and exercise book with pen so that you can write something what I shall teach you. Now, dear students, this is your English for today book and you open it. Look at the picture in activity A. What do you see? Here you see, talk about the pictures. You see a student, his name is Shoikot, he is reading, he is as same as you. And you see a person, a man, he is writing something, he is Shoikot's father. Then you see a lady, a woman, she is sewing, she is Shoikot's mother. You will describe the picture by yourself and it will help you to improve your speaking ability. Okay? Now, dear students, we shall know some new words from this lesson so that you can understand the lesson well. Now, dear students, look at the board. I hope you have all taken your exercise book. You have to write down these new words in your exercise book. Okay, now look at the new words. You will get these words in your essays. I have written here the words. Number 1, flat. It's a noun word. A set of rooms for living in one floor of a building. Or in a word, we can say it is apartment. Okay. Then number 2, live. It is a verb, and the synonym of this word is reside or stay. You have to learn these words. Okay, next 3, free. It's an adjective word and its meaning or the synonym of the word is spare or leisure. Then ride. Ride is a verb word. It means compose. Then 5, housewife. It's a noun word, mistress of a house. That is the chief female person of a house. Then 6, sewing. Sewing is a noun word. It means stitching or doing a needlework. Mainly the female persons like to do this work. Number 7, neighbor. Neighbor is a noun word and it means one who lives by one's house. Then 8, it is music. Music is a noun word and its synonym is song. Next you see there is a word number 9, gate. Gate is a verb and its synonym is receive. 10, eat is watch. Watch, its synonym is see. Then cartoon. I think you all like to enjoy cartoon. See cartoon. Cartoon means animated film. Then the last word I have written here for you, improve. Improve is a verb and it means to do better. Or in a word we can say develop. You have to write these words in your notebook and learn them because it is very necessary. These words are very necessary. It will help you a lot to understand the passage. Okay, dear students, now you take your English for today book. We shall read activity B. Here you see there is a passage about Shoikot's family. I am reading it out. You listen to me and then you will read. Okay? Shoikot Islam lives with his parents in a flat in Bogura. His father, Mr. Rashidul Islam, is a banker. But in his free time, Mr. Islam writes stories and listens to music. Shoikot's mother is Mrs. Manwara Islam. She is a housewife. In her free time, she enjoys sewing. She makes dresses. She often gets orders from her friends and neighbors. Shoikot is in class 5. He is a good student. He wants to improve his English. So he watches cartoons on TV every day. He also reads English books. He likes books about animals, especially tigers and lions. Dear students, I have read the passage. You will also read it. I think you have listened to me very carefully. Okay? You have got these words in the passage. These words are important for understanding the passage. Okay? I have already discussed with you the meaning of these words. I hope you will write down these words and you must preserve them. You use them in your day-to-day life when you will speak English. Okay? Now, dear students, go to activity C. It is ask and answer the question. As you have read the passage, you have got some information from this passage, and I think you will be able to answer the questions correctly. Okay, the first question. What is Shoikot's father's name? What is Shoikot's father's name? Here you see the use of apostrophe S. It is for making a relation with Shoikot father and father name. For connecting two words, we use apostrophe S. It is called possessive case. What is Shoikot's father's name? The answer will be Shoikot's father's name is Mr. Rashidul Islam. Number 2. What is Shoikot's mother's name? Yes, the answer is Shoikot's mother's name is Mrs. Manwara Islam. What do his parents do in their free time? You know, parents means father and mother. What do they do? In his free time, Shoikot's father writes stories and listens to music. In her free time, Shoikot's mother enjoys sewing. She makes dress. Okay, number 4. What does Shoikot do in his free time? Can you answer? Of course, I think you can answer. In his free time, Shoikot reads story English books. He watches cartoons on TV every day. What kind of books does Shoikot like? Here is the information. Shoikot likes books on animals, especially tigers and lions. You will write the answer in your exercise book, okay? Now, let us go to another activity. Let us go to another activity. It is called question sentence. I am writing here the question words. Can you tell me some question words? Yes, I am writing here. The words are, the question words are what? You know, the question words, some question words I am writing here for you and you have to make question. Okay. They are called WH words. Write down these words in your exercise book, please. Where? And then who? Then what? Then another word, another question of when. The last one here I have written why. The first word is used for asking a place. Where do you live? Who? I can ask who are you? And then what? For anything you can say what are you doing? When? It is used for asking time. And then what? Why is used for asking reason. Okay, here I am writing 5 sentences. You have to make question from this sentence using these WH words. Okay. Shoykot lives in Bogura. Shoykot Islam lives in Bogura. Here you see I have underlined the portion in Bogura. It is a statement. It is a statement from your passage. You have to make a question using these words. So which words you will use here for knowing the information of the place? Yes, we shall use here. Sorry, where? The question will be, where does Shoykot Islam live? Where does Shoykot Islam live? Here you have to follow the grammatical point, look at it carefully, look at the sentence carefully, the question sentence carefully. Where does Shoykot Islam live? You will not write live, you will write live, because as we have used does, so S will not be added with the main verb. You must put question mark. Okay, where does Shoykot Islam live? Then number 2, Mr. Rashidul Islam is a banker. Mr. Rashidul Islam is a banker. I have underlined the word Mr. Rashidul Islam here, and you have to ask the question to know the information of Mr. Rashidul Islam is a banker. Mr. Rashidul Islam is a banker. So which word you will use here? You have to use who. The question will be, who is a banker? Who is a banker? Here you have to follow a structure, WH word plus verb, then complement. A banker. You must put question mark. Then number 3. Number 3 is Shoykot's mother is a housewife. Shoykot's mother is a housewife. Used to be as Shoykot's mother is a housewife. Shoykot's mother is a housewife. Here I am underlining the words a housewife. You have to know her profession. So what will be the question here? The question here will be, what is Shoykot's mother? What is Shoykot's mother? You want to know her profession. What is Shoykot's mother? Yes, put question mark here. Look at these questions here. I have written 3 statements and 3 questions. You quickly write down this in your exercise book. Okay? Now, 4. Statement 4. Now the statement 4. In her free time, in her free time, she enjoys swimming. Swim. You know the meaning of swim. Middle one. It's a statement, and we have to make a question on this statement. And what will be the question? When? When does she enjoy swimming? When does she enjoy? When does she enjoy swimming? Please note down it in your notebook with me. What does she enjoy? Swimming. When does she enjoy swimming? The last sentence I am going to write here, number 5. Number 5. Number 5 is, the statement is here. Shoykot watches cartoon. You know, Shoykot watches cartoon to improve his English. To improve better, you know, improve his English. Look at this statement. I'm underlining here. You have to know the answer. That is, you have to ask a question for knowing the answer to improve his English. How do you make a question sentence? Yes, you have to make a question in this way. Why does Shoykot watch? Why does Shoykot watch cartoons? Why does Shoykot watch cartoons? Put a question mark. And it is a question. This is the last question I have made for you. You will practice statements like these and make questions so that you can write correctly WH words with this for making questions. Okay. Now, dear learners, go to page 11. You see here in the page 11. You see here section B. There is a table. Read and say. There are some informations: name, time, and activities. In activity E, you see there are 3 questions. What does Shoykot do at 6 o'clock? Shoykot studies. He studies. What does Shoykot do at 8 o'clock? What will you say? He watches TV. Then, who chooses at 8 o'clock? Who chooses at 8 o'clock? Shoykot's mother chooses at 8 o'clock. When does Shoykot's father read? At 6 o'clock. In this way, using the table, you will make at least 10 questions and also write the answer in your exercise book. Okay? Then, go to activity F. Here you see, answer the questions. Use the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is very important for you. You have to know. It expresses the action which is going on. Suppose I am teaching you now. It is present continuous tense. So here you see the use of present continuous tense. Example is given here. It is 6 o'clock. What is Shoykot's mother doing? At 6 o'clock, Shoykot's mother is cooking. You will make sentence like this using present continuous tense. You will make 5 questions and then answer them. Okay? Now, dear students, I think you have enjoyed the class. You have learned the activities. You have come to know the activities. Now, it is time to do some homework. You have to do homework and you have to preserve it and you will show us when the school opens. Date-wise, you will write your homework. Okay? Yes, the homework is write a paragraph. Write a paragraph about your family. Write a paragraph about your family within 10 sentences. Within 10 sentences. I think you have understood your homework, this homework. You note down it, and of course try to do this homework and preserve it. Okay, that's all for today. I want to finish the class here, and you must stay safe, stay home. See you again later.